the problem number 3. Sin A equals to 3 by 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. Okay, sin A equals to 3 by 4. Let us take a triangle. Using right angle triangle only, sin A equals to 3 by 4. So here this is A, B, C. So say right angle, B angle B. Okay. See, sin A equals to 3 by 4. See the solution. Sin A equals to 3 by 4. Sin means what? Sin means what? Side opposite to A. Side opposite to A over hypotenuse. Side opposite to A over hypotenuse. Therefore, opposite is to hypotenuse equals to 3 is to 4. Opposite to hypotenuse equals to 3 is to 4. Now, opposite side equals to some 3k, where k is a constant. Hypotenuse equals to 4k, where k is a constant. Okay. See, now opposite is 3k. Opposite is 3k. This is 3k. Hypotenuse is 4k. Hypotenuse is 4k. Now we will find cos A and tan A. Cos A means what? Side adjacent to A. Side adjacent to A is nothing but AB. We don't know the value of AB. So using Pythagoras theorem, first find the value of AB. Okay. See, from triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. Using Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem statement? Hypotenuse square. Here hypotenuse is AC. Right angle opposite is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Here AC value 4k. 4k whole square equals to AB value I don't know. First we will find AB only plus BC. BC is 3k whole square. So 4 square value 16. K square equals to AB square plus 3 square 9k square. So 16k square 9k square transpose left side minus 9k square equals to AB square. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 7k square equals to AB square. So square transpose right side square root. 7k square equals to AB. Therefore AB equals to square root of 7. Square root of k square value k. Square root of k square value k. So this is the value root 7 times k. Okay. Now we will find cos A and tan A. Okay. Cos A. Cos A means what? Side adjacent to A. Adjacent to A by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to A is AB. AB by hypotenuse is AC. So AB value how much? Root k. Root 7k. By hypotenuse is 4k. So k get cancelled. Root 7 by 4. Next, tan A. Tan A means side opposite to A. Side opposite to A by side adjacent to A. Side opposite to A is BC. Side adjacent to A is AB. BC value how much? 3k. AB value root 7 times k. Now k get cancelled. 3 by root 7.